What's good, gang? It's your boy D Matrix D23. Come back to y'all with another video. It's gonna be an update video of my curly hair routine, the one I recorded previously on my channel. You can find it there. So this is an update on how I do it. I just use two products, that's all I use for it, and it's Mix Chicks leave-in conditioner. I got that much left because I use it. Mix Chicks, you can find it on Amazon, leave-in conditioner. You basically use it after you shampoo your hair. You get a substantial amount that you rub it into your hair, and after, when your hair is dry, you top up with a moisturizer. I've talked about this plenty of times. Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smooth is pretty good. Looks like that. You can get off Amazon as well. And once your hair is dried from the leave-in conditioner, you put in the moisturizer, you rub it in your hair, and your hair should curl up. Your hair should be like this. It's like, yeah, it will turn curly with just those two products. So this is my update. So it's the leave-in conditioner, Mix Chicks, you can find it on Amazon. Curl Enhancing Smoothie, you can find it on Amazon as well. Substantial amount. It says to put loads in your hair. Be generous after you shampoo your hair. Don't dry your hair, by the way. Just put this in afterwards, and then rub it in and wait for it to air dry. After that, you put any type of moisturizer in your hair. You can put any type, but I prefer Curl Enhancing Smoothie. But you can put any type of moisturizer in your hair to, just hydrate it, keep it strong, and let it lock in the effects of the leave-in conditioner. And that's it. It's pretty quick. You shampoo your hair, you put in the leave-in, you let it dry, then you put in the moisturizer, and then yeah, your hair should be curly, and it should be looking a bit decent. I know it ain't the best of colors, but it's just those two products that do it to that. So it's your boy D-Matrix D23, signing out. Peace out, gang. Bye.